Okay guys, in this one I just want to sum up what we've done so far with shapes and text and things like that. Just put it all in one, have a look at it. And after this I'm going to go on to the arc and explain the radius to you properly, because I don't think I've gone through that properly. Anyway, here we have, okay, we have a canvas, okay? A window with that online function, we're going to call that. We're going to give this variable called canvas, document that get out of the ID, canvas, get contacts, blah blah blah. We're going to give a fill style of pink, and if you look down here, we have the ID, we give it a width and height and 900. Now it's going to be probably off right now, so when I do this, I'll have to scroll it down, but we'll just try it anyway. So, first thing we're going to do, I'm giving the fill style of blue, right? I'm giving this rectangle, there's the X and Y, and there's the size, right? Then we're going to give another one, a yellow, but I'm giving a stroke style, so it's only like that, you know, it's out apart. I'm giving a line width of 5. Then we're going to have a stroke rect, giving the colour of black, and a line width of 2. And down here we're going to begin a path, and here we're going to have a line and these dimensions. And we're going to close the path, okay? Then we're going to fill, we're going to stroke, and then we'll have a fill style of green. We're giving it a font of 60 pixels, and we're going to give it code matters after my own site or my own channel, haha, and we put out these dimensions so we can actually see it, okay? So if I run that, this is what we get. So we have to scroll just to show you. So there's a blue, there's a line 2, there's a fill style, there's a stroke for a yellow, and there's me code matters. So subscribe guys, don't just keep looking, subscribe. Alright, catch you next one we go through art with the radians, okay? See you then, bye bye.